Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Farm Animal Spelling. I am a cow. Do you know how to spell a cow? C-O-W. Cows give us milk. Hello, everyone. I'm Duck, and I'm ready to spell D-U-C-K. Can you repeat the duck spelling? Ducks are animals that live in water and land. They have feet connected with fins that help them swim. Hello, everyone. I'm Chicken, and I'm ready to spell C-H-I-C-K-E-N. We get eggs from chicken. Hello, everyone. I'm a pig, and I'm ready to spell P-I-G. Pigs are smart animals. They like to play in the mud to cool their bodies. They use their sensitive nose to find food. I'm a sheep, and I'm ready to spell S-H-E-E-P. Sheep give us wool and milk. People use wool to make clothes and milk to make cheese. I'm a horse. I am fast, and I'm ready to spell horse, H-O-R-S-E. The horse helps us to move heavy loads. Let's review. Cow, C-O-W. Your turn. Good job. Duck, D-U-C-K. Your turn. Good job. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Your turn. Good job. Pig, P-I-G. Your turn. Good job. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Your turn. Good job. Horse, H-O-R-S-E. Your turn. Good job.
Goodbye.